Hi, let's see if I can change this cabin air filter in under 40 seconds. Dealership price for this is 180 plus all the other fees. And there you go. Here you see up close, press and pull and remove the cover from the filter. Remove the filter, replace, put a new one in. Just make sure follow the directions for the air flow. And basically after that, just return the cover and close the compartment. You just saved $150.